You know, I've made a ton of videos working on these John Deere cutting decks, replacing blades and belts and pulleys and spindles. And invariably there's somebody who comments, "You didn't show us how to take the deck off." Well, if you're that guy, today is your lucky day. That's right, I'm Buck Weezer and welcome to another video with Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube. We are putting the do into do-it-yourself, and I'm putting together a short video today to show you how to remove the deck from your John Deere lawn tractor. This, of course, is the D110, but this procedure will be the same for the D series, the L series, the LA series, the E series, whatever series you got. For the World Series, this is how you do it. It's really a simple process, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go. All right, so first thing first, be safe, remove the key. Next, lower the cutting deck as far down as it will go, all the way down, just like that. Also, make sure the lever is in the disengaged position, just like that, because that'll put a little slack in the belt, which is what we want. So, cutting deck disengaged. I'm going to do my best to show you what's going on underneath here. Our next step is to take the deck belt off of the main drive pulley, the main PTO. And of course the belt's slack now because that's how it's supposed to be when the blades are disengaged. So you got to work it around out of the pulley, and probably have to go to both sides because, oh, I got it there. So it's completely disconnected from the pulley. That step's done. Perfect. Our next step is to disconnect the 5 places where the deck is hanging from the tractor. The first is here at the front, right here. It's some kind of cotter pin or quick connect pin. Sometimes you can get those off with your hand, like that. And there's also a washer here, so we save them, and this bar comes out. So that's the one at the front, done. Then on the side, you gotta find 2 places where it hangs. One here, and back further, closer to the rear wheels, one here. Again, they got some kind of pin, maybe a washer. We're going to disconnect those, and there's 2 more of these on the other side. So there's a total of 5 spots where the deck hangs from the tractor, and we got to disconnect those. Okay, there's the pin, there's the washer, that comes off, and the bracket comes down. Again, I'm doing my best with one hand while holding the camera with the other. Sometimes you can get them with your hands. Other times you got to grab it with a pair of pliers. This one's kind of bent, so I'm going to get a pair of pliers to help me pull that out of there. Wait, I got it. Okay, and washer. And then this hanger comes off of there. Just like that. Alright, that's it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. There's 5 points where you got to disconnect it. All right, the final step before being able to yank the cutting deck out from under the tractor is to disconnect the blade engagement cable. That's this guy coming down right here. And there's a pin right here. Pull it out. And then this can come out of the groove. And it goes all the way over to here. And this large spring clips onto this pivoting arm right here. So when you engage it, pulls this cable tight, slides this, and the belt tightens. That's how it works. And this is hooked around that through a hole on that arm. And I can't get it with one hand while holding the camera, but that's what we have to disconnect next. And I'll just do that, and then we'll be ready to yank the deck out from under the tractor. Now we're ready to slide the deck out, and just got to find a place to grab on there and bring it out this way. And guess what? We're done. Now you can do whatever maintenance you need to on your deck to clean it or change your blades. I'm putting new blades on this guy today. And when we go back to install, we'll just reverse the same steps we used to take it off. And that's really all there is to it. It's pretty easy, right? Maybe that's why I never made a video about how to do it. I just kind of assumed it, you know, you could figure it out. But hopefully that videos have helped you. When it's time to put the deck back under your tractor, just reverse the steps as we outlined them for the uninstall. You just reverse it and install it. It's pretty easy. So thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe to Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube, and remember, only you can put the do into do-it-yourself. Bye.